man, this thing's fun. So yeah, right now it's in a medium. It's not in race. It's the one below race. So you have wheelie control and shit on, and traction control, and it is quick shift up and down. When you shift down, close throttle, and just click as many times as you want. Upshift, make sure the throttle's on when you upshift. 2017 FZ09. This is going to be my in-person riding experience. It is so spongy, it's bouncy, very comfortable bike. Let's figure out how to start it. Here we go. I don't know if you hear this through the camera. Oh yeah, listen to that exhaust. It's got a quick shifter, but it's quick shift up and not quick shift down. The seating position for me coming off the Street Fighter is a little different. Street Fighter, my feet are more back, we'll say, whereas on this is straight down. So we're gonna go on some twisty roads here, just get a feel of it. But the suspension is so much softer than my Duke, for sure. Of course, I'm gonna have to get used to the gearing. Definitely a lot of torque on this bike, though. Quick shifter is pretty smooth. It is aftermarket. Love that exhaust note, though. But yeah, I like the handlebars being up. Definitely more comfortable than my Street Fighter. I'll give it that. Now the suspension on my Street Fighter is set up really stiff. So I was kind of curious taking this on some twisties, what it'd be like. Well, what it's telling me right now is that I want to adjust the suspension on my Street Fighter, because I don't need to have my Street Fighter that stiff. But the seating is very comfortable, the actual seat. It's got an aftermarket seat on it. But yeah, you don't have to gear down to get the power. The power is always there, which is a nice touch. Ergonomics, awesome. 2017, it feels like I'm riding a brand new bike. Your speedo's here, RPM gauge, like everything's well set up, well within view. Lots of passing power, as you can see. Sir or lady. A little bit of roadkill. Oh, what we got? Let's see here. Got fifth. It does have 6th gear, but it's just not showing. brakes. Brakes are very nice, very nice. They're not overly aggressive, they're nice and smooth. Oh yeah, definitely a hooligan bike. Now with the suspension set up on this, you're not going to see it in the video, but when you get on the gas, the suspension kind of squats down, and with the torque, the front wants to stand up all the time. It's an awesome feeling. It just makes the ride that much more exciting. But yeah, it's a great bike for going on the turns and going on long rides, especially with the suspension setup. To be honest, I didn't think it would turn into the turns as well as it does. And yeah, it really does. Some great twisty roads here though to try these bikes out on. Now when I first seen this bike, I thought it was a MT-09, to be honest with you. And again, it's a 27 FZ 09, but the body style, from it, when you walk up to it, it's like, oh, it's MT-09. Definitely a unique bike. Definitely a unique sounding bike, that's for sure. And a lot of fun. And what I like about this bike, you can go up and down through the gears if you want, or it's got enough torque where I can keep it in a higher gear and do this kind of riding and not keep shifting up and down. But I do like the options to have that if you just want to have fun and start banging through gears, making some noise. That's nice. Whereas the Ducati, that first gear and second gear is so long, there's really no need to shift. You can just pretty much keep it in second or third if you want on a Street Fighter, and you can do this whole road in one gear. So yeah, it's nice to have the options of banging through the gears. Oh man, this thing's fun. If I were to get another naked bike, I would seriously consider like a MT-09 or buy one of these guys used for sure. No, he's got it tuned. Right now it's not in its most touchy setting. I think he said I'm running about 80% of its power potential. Well, yeah. First time riding this bike, and you know, on a twisty road, I don't want to do anything overly dumb. On my bike's one thing, but somebody else's bike, not so much. Nobody tapping their helmet, that's a good sign. I'm really surprised how versatile this bike is in the turns, like completely. I mean, I was expecting some good performance, but this is a lot better than I thought. Well, if you made it this far, that's my first impressions of riding this bike coming off a Street Fighter. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Ciao for now. Peace out.
Well, if you made it this far through the video, thanks. Please like and subscribe so I can make more bad content for you. I will be having a proper review on this bike coming up shortly about its mods, its specs, and all that fantastic nonsense and jargon. Anyways, talk to you later. Ciao.